Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbie. In this clip, by looking at me, can you guess what my ancestry is? I'll reveal it later in the video. Here we go.
Okay y'all, so here's my tube. I already spit into it. And so the way it works is it comes with, let me show you. Okay, see, it comes with this cap. You don't do anything to it. You just spit right into that hole right there until your spit fills up to that line, you know? And then after you're done, you close this lid like that until you hear a loud click. Then you unscrew this, you take this lid off, and then see this little thing right here, this little lid, you screw that on, okay? And then once it's screwed on, then you shake it for like 5 seconds, and then it should be good to go. And then you put it in this little bag that they included. And this is the seal that came with it. I took it off. And you just kind of seal it together. And then I imagine I put it back in this. And then once this is back inside of here, then I'm gonna put it in here and then I'm gonna ship it. See how this already comes with the peel here, so that's the adhesive there. So, and then in I believe 6 to 8 weeks, I should have my result. One more thing real quick, when it says register, this is where you go to register. You have to do this. Make sure you don't send out your saliva sample until you register. That's very important, okay? And where it asks for the 14-digit barcode in order to register, look on your tube that they give you. You know, like this tube right here, there will be a 14-digit barcode on that, on the sticker.
6 to 8 weeks later. Okay, so here you see that I'm mostly European, about 75.9% European, and then about 18% Native American. Some of these results definitely do not surprise me. I have a trace amount of the sub-Saharan African as well. The Native American, I have often heard that comes from Colombia, so like the natives in Colombia, and yep, there it is, Bogota, Colombia. That is where my family lives. I have a lot of family there right now, so the fact that it says that I'm most likely from Bogota, Colombia is absolutely spot on. That is a country in South America, for those of you who did not know. Also, I've often been told by my mother's side of the family that we are Irish. Until a couple years ago, I didn't know that we were necessarily British, but British and Irish, about 30-something%. And then the Southern European, the Spanish and Portuguese, that doesn't surprise me because even though we're Colombian, I know that we have Spanish descent. Now, it does say here that I'm 0% Italian. However, it says that I'm 11% broadly Southern European. I Googled that. Broadly Southern European is basically the Mediterranean countries in Europe, which include Italy. My grandfather, my Colombian side of the family, my grandfather, he has a Italian name, and actually most of his family members have Italian names, so I'm pretty sure we are Italian and it comes from that side. As far as Native American, as I said, I believe it's whatever the natives were in Colombia that when my European ancestors came over to Colombia, they mixed with the natives there. So I think that is what part of my ancestry is. But this saying it's highly likely match that I'm from Colombia is spot on. And then as far as British and Irish, I have been told that my family is from the Waterford region. This is saying that it shows there's a strong likelihood that my ancestry comes from the Cork region. Waterford, I believe, is a little bit north of Cork. So I'm not sure. Either the 23andMe is correct or my family's correct and 23andMe didn't get it exactly right. So that's kind of to be determined. But here you can see Waterford, and if I zoom out, you'll see that Waterford is slightly north of Cork. But in any case, 23andMe got it pretty close. The fact that my mother's side of the family is Irish and British. So that's what I am. I'm Irish, British, Spanish, and possibly Italian. 23andMe didn't say I was Italian, but I'm telling you I am Italian because the broadly Southern European, that's what it has to be. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it, click the notification bell, and I will catch you guys later. Bye-bye, everyone.